Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in previous videos I have shown you how you can make bar graphs and how you can compare your categorical data of your datasets. Today I will be making some bubble chart and I will be making some text tables. So let me show you how you can change your graph type. So here it is given like show me button here, on which after clicking on it you can get this window, and here we have 24 charts. As you can count, we have 24 charts and we have given several options. It is filled here because we haven't chosen any variable yet, but when we have variables into the column field or in the top field, this will light out. All the chart given here will light out. So here I'm going to show you today the bubble chart and the text tables that is given on the topmost. So let's make our bubble chart first. As you know, I have opened my dataset, that's sample superstore dataset. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so here it is. Here it is my dataset in which I was given with categories such as category, city, country, postcode, region, segment, and quantity variables like discount, profit, quantity, and sales. So today we'll be making some bubble charts and text tables. Let's make some bubble chart first. Now, what you need to do, just click onto this. Sorry, click onto this and drop this onto the rows. You will have your regions. Now the other thing you need to do, drop any variable like from the discount, profit, or quantity. I'm going to just pick the sales one from here and I'm going to drop it onto the columns. Now what you will have to do, you will have to go on to this button that is show me and click on this. Now our bubble chart is ready. What bubble chart is, all these sides of the bubbles, these sides of these bubbles is according to the sales. The bigger the sale, the bigger the size. The smaller the sales, the smaller the size, and it has automatically adjusted our categorical data or our numerical data into this mark card. Now, if you want to know the exact figure, you know what you have to do. All you need to do is drop it onto the labels, and you will have your exact figure of your sales. That is, West region is providing us the highest sales. In West region we did highest sales, and in the South region we did lowest sales. So this is how you can make your bubble chart. Now if you want to know the profits also, means if you want to know the numbers of the profit, you want to be getting this shape of your bubble type, bubble chart according to your profits, but you will have the numbers of your profits. So what you need to do, click onto this profit field and drop it here, drop it onto the labels. Now you will have the profit values also, means how much profit they have generated or how much profit they have generated according to the region wise. I can see that in West region I have generated around 1,84,418, and the lowest is generated by Central region. So by this way I can make my bubble chart. Now just let me give it a name, profit by region, and let's make bold first. Just this bold button, make it blue and centrally aligned. Okay, then okay, press on OK and have some nice border now it. That is, let's border thickness, and let's make it red. Okay, next color. Okay, now just let me give it a name to the slide sheet also. Copy it, okay, and paste it here. Okay, then now next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be making the text table. So all you need to do is click on this button to have another sheet, that is new one sheet, on which you will be making our text tables. Now what you need to do, pick any variable that could be of shift mode or anything. Let take shift mode here. So we want to know which shift mode, or by which shift mode we actually generated our highest profit. So drop it here. Now drop it here. You'll have your numbers. Yeah, it is same as like making the pivot table in Excel file. Like let me show you how to make pivot table in Excel file. All you need to do, select this data set, click onto the data. Oh no, inside. Click onto the inside. Okay. You will have this, or click onto this pivot table in chart. Okay, I'm selecting new sheet here. So it is giving me pivot table along with its chart. What I need to do, I need to select like this ship mode. In my ship mode, here it is, ship mode, and I have to drop it onto the axis. Now I have to pick the profit and I have to go onto the values. Now you can see that it has given me these values, the sum of the profit. Same it is given me here, the profit, the number of profit. So if you want to make it or enhance your visualization, then we have this. And if you want to know according to which category you are generating these values, then what you need to do, pick these and drop it here. You will have categories here, you will have ship mode here, and you will have your profit. Let's make it colorful, and that's it. It has given its color. Let's change the color, and I'm gonna make it light blue. Okay. Release the profit. The higher the means frequency of your red color, the highest the profit, the higher the frequency of your blue color. Applying it, and here you have your values, you have your colors, you have done all your shading. So in this, I have shown you how you can make your text tables and how you can enhance your visualization with the help of color map card by dropping the fill or by dropping your values variables onto this card. So now I'm just gonna make it, give it a name, that is profit by, okay, profit by ship mode, and I'm gonna make it red, bold, centrally aligned. That's it. It's done. Copying it. Okay, and giving it the same. So that's it. I have made the text tables and I have given it a good name, proper name, so that it will be easy to read like what our visualization is telling us, and you can do this anytime. So thank you for watching our video, and we will keep uploading videos regarding Tableau and regarding the skills required to become a data analyst. Thank you.